In a humble village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young man named Liam. While the village bustled with hard-working folk, Liam gained notoriety for his idleness. He would spend his days lazing under the shade of trees, often escaping from chores and responsibilities. His reputation as the laziest young man in the village spread like wildfire, earning him more eye rolls and sighs than he could count. One fateful day, a wise and weathered monk arrived in the village. The news of his arrival stirred a wave of curiosity and excitement among the villagers. With his flowing robes and serene demeanor, the monk exuded an aura of wisdom that captivated the villagers, including Liam. Intrigued by the monk's presence, Liam found himself drawn to a gathering where the monk was speaking. The monk's words were like drops of wisdom that quenched the thirst of curious minds. And then, with a knowing glance, the monk turned his gaze to Liam. "Dear young man," the monk began, his voice carrying a hint of both challenge and compassion, "I see that you are known for your idleness, but I believe there's more to you than meets the eye. I challenge you to retrieve a single feather from the cave on the other side of the mountain." Liam's eyes widened with intrigue and a hint of exhilaration. The challenge seemed impossible, yet the monk's gaze held a promise of transformation. With newfound determination, Liam accepted the challenge. The journey to the cave was not easy. The mountain was steep and treacherous, and the path was fraught with obstacles. Yet, as Liam climbed, he felt a surge of energy he had never experienced before. The wind whispered encouragement, and the sun's warmth fueled his resolve. Liam faced jagged rocks, rushing streams, and steep inclines. Each obstacle he overcame seemed to shed a layer of his laziness, leaving behind a version of himself he hadn't known existed. His heart pounded with a mix of fear and excitement as he neared the mountain's peak. At long last, with weary limbs and a heart full of triumph, Liam reached the cave. He retrieved the feather, a simple token that held within it the weight of his accomplishment. As he looked out from the cave's entrance, the view stretched before him like a canvas painted with the hues of his newfound spirit. The wise monk appeared beside him, his eyes twinkling with pride. "You see, young man, laziness is but a hurdle. It's a challenge that can be overcome with ambitious goals, disciplined effort, and a growth mindset. Just as you conquered this mountain, you can conquer any obstacle that stands in your way." Liam nodded, his heart brimming with gratitude for the monk's guidance. The journey back to the village was marked with a sense of purpose and a newfound zest for life. With the feather in his hand, he returned not only with physical proof of his feat, but also with the intangible treasure of transformation. The monk's teachings continued to shape Liam's life. He no longer shied away from challenges, and his reputation as the laziest young man became a distant memory. With each step he took, he embraced the monk's lesson that the path to success required determination, discipline, and the willingness to push beyond one's limits. The village, too, witnessed Liam's transformation and began to see him as an inspiration. And as time flowed like a river, the tale of the lazy young man who climbed a mountain for a feather became a timeless reminder that within every individual, no matter how dormant, lay the potential for growth, change, and triumph over the hurdles that once seemed insurmountable.